Good evening, good evening. Just want to do a quick video on the cryptocurrency markets. Um, and once again, we're right back at 29,000. You know, Bitcoin did pump this morning and the stock market also pumped, and we almost pumped up to 31,000. And what happened? We got rejected. And folks, this is what's going to be happening probably for the rest of the year. Whether we get rejected at 31,000, 35,000, or 40,000, this is a bearish year, 100%. Every time Bitcoin pumps up $1,000, people are going to get all excited and tell you it's going to the moon, but it's not. This bear market at least has another year left in it. And I've basically been seeing all the YouTubers, or at least most, getting really bullish every time we see a little bit of momentum. Folks, Bitcoin's going to dump down to $20,000 at some point this year. Now, the question is when? And when it does dump down to $20,000, your altcoins are going to take a major beating. But the good news is a lot of these altcoins have already dumped a lot. So while they will dump more than Bitcoin, I think most of the pain has probably already been seen. Yeah, you might get Cardano down to 25 cents, which is 50% off from where it is right now, but it's not going to dump another 90%. There's no way. Except for XRP. That might. And you're starting to see these stories. Bitcoin could fall to $8,000, 70% plunge from here. Folks, back in 2020 when Bitcoin was $6,000, all the articles said it was dropping down to 1,000. All of them. And what happened? It dumped down to 4,000 and then we shot up to 20,000. These articles are never right. And yeah, maybe it could happen. I think we'll probably drop down to 20, 15 worst case scenario. If we drop down to $8,000, we're pretty much on World War III. And I'm not betting on that. And there are a lot of people who will not buy their Bitcoin until it drops down to $8,000. And those people are not going to get any Bitcoin. And they're going to miss the whole bull run. Stock futures were up, now they're down. Stock market down, which will probably bring down Bitcoin tomorrow. I think Bitcoin is pretty much going to jump down to $28,000 at some point. I mean, it's already been down to 28,000 earlier, but I think we might hit the lower 28s if the stock market is down tomorrow. So look out for that. That's the range we're in right now. We're between 28 and $31,000. So right now we're going to hit that 28, and then we'll probably pop back up when stocks rise Wednesday or Thursday. But all we are is in a range right now. I mean, you can trade it, but it's not even worth it. For me, my next buy level is Bitcoin at $20,000, Cardano at 25 cents. Also, talking about Cardano, this Vasco hard fork for Cardano is coming up in less than a month, or about a month. I do think that's going to help Cardano retain its price. I don't think Cardano is going to drop down to 30 or 20 cents until at least after this hard fork. And I do think there is a good possibility that we do get a major pump at least a couple days or a week before this hard fork that could see Cardano basically shoot back up to 67 to 70 cents. I do agree with that. It's usually a sell the news type event. Like for example, if Bitcoin's hovering around $28,000, I could easily see Bitcoin pumping from 50 cents up to 70 cents and then crashing right after the hard fork. So if you're a trader, look out for that. I actually have a trading bag on KuCoin, and I will be trading out of that if we do hit that 70 cents. Because I think it's inevitable we get down to 25 cents, but with this hard fork next month, we could get a pump. So I think that will, even if Bitcoin does really dump down to 25,000 in the next couple of days or next week or next month, I think this hard fork will help prop up Cardano. So if I had to pick one altcoin to be in right now, it would 100% be Cardano. Although, after that hard fork, you will most likely see a major dump if Bitcoin is dumping. That's it for now, folks. Stock futures are down. Bitcoin's down. We're in a range. Nothing exciting. It's boring. It's going to be boring all year. But you stack your coins right now, you'll be rich in a couple years. And that's how it works. It's as simple as that.